Mr. Sean Entin looking very spooky on this Halloween. Go ahead, Mr. Sean.
Hey Jerry, how are you? It is Halloween of 2017, and today's show is about my dear friend Corey Schwartz, who owns a medical dispensary who helps people with medicine, plant-based medicine, to help them heal from all kinds of issues. And I met Corey about 3 years ago, and the guy's just become a tremendous friend and asset in my life with my healing. And everybody asks me what I'm always doing to get better, to help my endurance, help my speaking, help my walking. As you guys just saw last Saturday, I'm now walking the 100 yards at the high school. Well, I think a lot of it is credited to what Corey has done for me. He's not only a great friend of mine, he's a wonderful father, husband, and the owner of Coast to Coast Collective. So here's Corey Schwartz. So Corey, if you can kind of tell us about, I guess we met 3 years ago,
Sure.
and the improvements that you actually saw with me, and not only that, but what do you do, and how do you help people?
Yeah, I mean, I'm one of the owners. The Coast to Coast kind of came together with a group of people, my brother and some close partners, Chris Malcolm, and we kind of had the best motive to kind of help people, and we had a really good plan, a really good set of people, and we came together, put together a really, really clean shop, and we've been helping people for 3.5 years now. And I remember, Sean, when I met you, we had kind of just opened our doors. You came in. I remember you were in a wheelchair at the time.
Yeah.
And I remember, meeting you in the back, and you were coming in, and you really weren't too referenced on the law or how this worked. And I remember sitting down with you. I think we spent like 45 minutes together.
Yeah, you were wonderful. I mean, Corey, you introduced me to hemp products that it literally changed my life. I'm on all my medications. Within the next couple months, I was on some heavy narcotics, opiates to anti-anxiety pills to depressant pills, about probably 15 to 20 pills at one time, coming out of my coma for 2 years, and meeting you changed my life. I feel like I got my life back because of you. And so I just want to, first of all, thank you on that level. But, if you can kind of explain what you do in your shop, because everyone always wonders what goes on in a dispensary or collective, because I always see people of,
Sure.
with all kinds of illnesses that come and get medicine.
Yeah, I mean, we really do see kind of a wide variety of people that come through the door. We have, a lot of patients that we see. I mean, we treat everything from Alzheimer's to someone like yourself that's going through a stroke. We do see cancer patients, even as simple as people that are just having trouble sleeping. There's just kind of a slew of people that come through the door. And,
Right.
we've found that a lot of these, hemp products and, kind of this holistic plant kind of really can, excuse the phone in the background.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
And can
fine.
help people. And, we've seen a lot of success in a
Right.
lot of patients. And, it's pretty good to see.
How many patients do you guys treat? I mean, a day, a week, a month? Because I come in there and there's always a line out the door. You guys are always
Yeah, I
helping
mean,
people.
it changes. I mean, it could be a few hundred people a day. Some days it's more, you just never know. But, the patients know we're here 7 days a week. We're open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, we have our regulars. They come back in for different reasons. But, we've got to also what kind of makes us special is we've got such a great staff. But we carry all different kind of products, different health products to kind of help everybody from all different ailments. So.
Right. Okay, so if someone lives in California, how can they find you? How can they reach you? What is your company called? Where are you located?
Yeah, we're Coast to Coast Collective. We're in Canoga Park, California. So we're kind of right off the 101 in the San Fernando Valley. And like I said, we've been here for 3.5 years, and things are changing in California. So with that, we're changing as well. We'll let you know as things change.
Hey,
Right. I mean,
Sean,
yeah.
let me ask a question. If you could respond a little bit to this. You talked about getting off a lot of pharmaceutical drugs and all of that kind of thing once
Mm-hmm.
you were introduced to Corey's product. But could you tell people a little bit about how that worked and how you made that work?
Yeah, I learned about hemp, and I was so tired of being tired all the time. I mean, I was just always exhausted, and the drugs, the big pharmacy drug, pharmaceuticals, the subscriptions, were just wiping me out. I wasn't feeling like I was healing, and by taking the hemp, my brain woke up. It woke up so much, Jerry and Corey, that Corey knows is I created Beach Organics, and I really think the impetus of that company, the one that I co-founded, and that was really because Corey introduced me to hemp, and I wanted to build a company with my team that's kind of the gold standard of which is Beach Organics, which is proprietary hemp extract. And Corey kind of helped me see the vision of that.
Yeah, and it's a great product too. I mean, we carry that product, and a lot of patients that come through our doors, we definitely, show them that product, and we've seen just great success with Be True and kind of what you guys have done. So congratulations.
Thank you. Well, thank you, Corey. Hey, let me ask you a question. Where do you want to go coast to coast? I know you guys want to distribute throughout California. You have a store in Los Angeles, which is downtown. You're looking to open up in other cities, but what's the future for you guys?
Yeah, I mean, we want to reach as many people as we can. I mean, we're not trying to expand too quickly, but we want to be there and be able to kind of bring the way we do business with patients to provide for them, and do it the best we can. We're just waiting to see kind of how California lays out,
right,
and we'll follow that guideline.
And then you do everything right by the book. I know that you bring in the city, the council members, the mayors of different cities that come through and tour the
Right.
police department, the fire department, and they're all getting behind you because they know that this is this is what's going to happen in 2018, 19, 20. It's like people getting off all their meds and taking the plant is much better for everybody. And the future's there.
Yeah, I mean, our relationships with our local law enforcement or fire department or city council members, we're very active within our community. And it's an important role. I mean, I think that this business is changing. We've kind of set that precedent to kind of, be in the forefront of that. And that's what we plan to do. That's
amazing. So, Corey, thank you. Our time is up, I think. And I wanted to thank you so much for just being a friend, a colleague, and a business partner with me. And thanks so much for giving back. I really appreciate what you guys do. You guys are family to me. And without you, I wouldn't be here. So thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you, Sean. You're welcome.
And you guys can find us at 5 Minutes with Seany and Seany.com. And